Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. I'm working on the 2021 Toyota RAV4 and I have a new product. Brake covers. This actually Car Trim Homes sent it to me. Shout out to them. They sent this a long time ago. I wasn't able to do it before because if you guys been following the channel, you guys know that I used to have a 2019 Toyota RAV4 LE. On the LE, if you guys remember, I didn't have a decent wheel. Actually, I just have steel wheels. And even if I put them on and show you how they look, you won't be able to see anything because I used to have those wheels. Now on this XLE, I have better wheels and I'm gonna try this on. And this is the front. If you can see the difference on size. I'm gonna start with the rears right now because I'm doing something else. And now that I removed the wheels, I have access to it. It doesn't look too bad. So actually this is on the other side because the stamp is on the bottom. So the bleeder valve has to be on top. It's gonna be mounted like this. I don't know, I'm gonna put them on. This is the easiest way. I know you can paint your calipers, but let me see how they look and how strong they're gonna stay in there, because if they're not staying strong, I don't want them. But I think it's gonna be good. It's just perfect for the caliper. It fits just right. Yeah. Now that I have that, I have some stickers that I can put on that says Toyota. And I have some other ones that has the brand in it. I think I'm gonna stay with Toyota. You're gonna have brackets and the little wrench. I just need to figure it out how it's gonna go. Okay guys, I think I found it. This is the rear and this bracket goes right there. So I believe these ones are from the front and the large ones, which is these ones, are going on the rear calipers. So this one is gonna go like this. Right here, stick it right in there. So let me put it on, get them tight, and let's see how they look. With the help of my hammer, I was able to put it on. I don't think it's touching the rotor, and it goes down there. I'm gonna remove the e-brake and I'm gonna turn my rotors, see if it's touching, but I doubt it. And this is the end result on the rear. I removed the e-brake and we clear. There you go. That's the first one. Guys, the rear is done. Wheel is not on the way. 17-inch wheel. It's not on the way. It actually feels really secure. I was using, instead of the little wrench they came with the package, I was using an 8mm socket. Getting really tight, and this is the end result. Covers everything on the caliper, and you have enough clearance with those 17-inch wheels. Same process here on the front. This is the passenger side. So the bleeder valve, it has to be on top, right? It goes like this. The brackets are the small ones. You're gonna put it I'm gonna put it right there, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. The bracket itself is gonna be attached right here, and then we can put the caliper cover. One tip for you: hit it with the hammer to make the bracket go all the way down, and we're clearing the rotor, so we're gonna be okay. We have good clearance in the rotor. Another tip for you: put the bracket on, then put the nut. Once you have it in there, hit it with the hammer on the bottom to make the bracket go all the way in. Make sure that the bracket is even, top and bottom, and with my 8mm socket, just get them tight. I think the best idea before you put them on is to put them, all of them, on the same spot, so you can put the decals evenly on all of them. But I think they're gonna be okay. I'm gonna guide me with the Y and the O in the middle for the other caliper. Okay guys, this is the end result. What do you guys think? This is the front. It's close to the wheel, but we good, we clear. I took it for a test drive. Everything feels really good on it. I don't have any problems. The ones on the front, they're really big, but they don't look cheap. To be honest, they don't look too bad. But if you get close to it, you're gonna see actually their covers. This is the rear one. Okay guys, that's gonna be the covers for the 2019 to 2021 Toyota RAV4. Link is gonna be in the description for them. If you have any questions, guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.